Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty and Indian Rupee analysis for the coming week, where we will discuss the important dates which will have a good impact on the market. We'll discuss the levels which we can use it in our trading. I mean, this is more from the educational perspective, so you guys can see how the particular strategy is reacting, how the astro dates are working, and then you can take your informed decision. So having said that, last week Nifty made a top, and all the 4 5 days it was just falling, and we saw some signs of reversals on this day. Now next week will be very interesting because there are 2 to 3 important cycles which are coming, and from astro perspective and even from GAN perspective, these are short-term cycles. And when they are involving Mercury and Venus. Like I've mentioned many times, Mercury and Venus have a major impact on our market. Mercury being closest to the sun, and Venus is a planet of luxury. So as we are in financial markets, so Venus also has a big impact on the market. And Mercury will have impact on telecommunication, so all the stocks related to telecommunication, you can have a look at it. And Venus have impact on gold, jewelry, airline sector, and automobiles. Tata Motors is something which you should keep an eye on in the coming week. Now what are these two particular astro things? First is Venus in helio latitude is reaching the maximum. Now this happens like once or twice in a year. This is happening on 3rd of July, which has actually it has already happened, but the impact will be seen on Monday. And similarly, if you see here, last time it happened here on 21st November 2020, and from there you can see here we had a very good rally in the market. And before that, it happened somewhere near 10th of April, and you can see here this was the bottom. Market has touched this bottom so many times of this day, and from there we have been just rallying, and this was the last day, it was a top. So generally after this we tend to see a trending move in the market. So this is one important sector, so probably we can expect a good trending move in the market in the coming week. Now the another thing which is happening is one of the Bayes rule, which says like important tops and bottoms in the markets are formed when big tops and bottoms are when Mercury speed in geocentric longitude is this 59 minutes and 1 degree. So I've just set it up and I'm converting into time, and I click on plus, so minus, and calculate. So this is a very important thing whenever speed of Mercury is at particular latitude, and you can see here it generally tends to form a good moves. You can see here it was a major bottom, again a major bottom, major top here, a consolidation, but it never closed above it and we had a good fall. Here we had a major bottom here, then a major bottom here, and this is also approaching on 4th, which is happening today. So Venus and Mercury combined, there are two cycles which are coming. So these are the two cycles which I wanted to show. And second thing is based on the GAN cycles, on 20th of uh, January 2018, we formed a major top. And from there, if I add 529 days, that will also come to 4th of July. This is normal calculations which you can do. 529 is the square of 23, a very important number. So these are the two or three important GAN and astro cycles which are coming. Now let me quickly show you GAN price and time squaring also happening. See here, price is near the GAN angles, and these are the important. So again, I mentioned those lines. So both price and time are meeting. So probably once this high of Friday, which is 15738, is broken, and Monday also we close above it, we can see a good move in the market on upside. Similarly, this is for Bank Nifty. Again, you can see here the price is touching, it is bouncing, it has bounced so many times from this GAN angle. So probably, I mean, if the low is not breached and the high of Friday, which is 34,894 or 34,900, we can see a good rally into the market. So what are the levels I'm watching out for? Before that, let me just show you the neural analysis also. So this is the neural analysis of Bank Nifty. So it showed like we had a fall. This date is coming 5th. From there we can see a good rally, a small pop, and up move in the market. So probably if 5th is very important, if that low is not breached, again neural is not a holy grail, it is just predicting, but the rally should be sharp. what it is showing. Similarly, if I go to Nifty, Nifty also it is showing me formed a bottom, and from there we can see good rally till 12th of this month. And then I have for USD. USD has risen a lot, almost one and a half rupee, a very big move in USD. Now it also showing top has been made in the USD on second, and from there we can see a fall because Forex is impacted by Venus. So Venus is entering a new phase, so definitely it should have an impact. So now these are the levels I'm watching out for Nifty, my 15777 above which I'll be bullish, and these are the targets I'm watching on upside for the coming week, and these are the targets on downside. This will be the buy for Bank Nifty 35104. I mean it closed at 800, but I'm expecting market to open gap up, and based on how dollar has corrected after US jobs report, so we should have some positive impact. All the EM should have a positive impact per se, and this is for USD. These are the important levels which I'm watching out for USD. Below 74.74 it should be bearish, and these are the targets which I'm watching out for. So this is a concise analysis on both Nifty, Bank Nifty, and USD. I've shown you the neural part, and I've shown you the important cycles. Let's see how market behaves. And fourth, I mean, Friday, Monday will be an important date because it is confluence of both GAN and the astro cycles. So kindly practice this. Let me know if you have any questions, and I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined, trade with the right position size, use your stop losses, and don't get overconfident and take big sizes. Market has been into a kind of time correction, which is expected. The VIX has gone down to 12. There is not much premium there, but there will be a spike up in the market. So we should see, and there's astro cycles will help us out. Thank you very much.